Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on playing iPhone audio through two Bluetooth headphones at once. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Note that you can only share audio between multiple headphones if they are made with the Apple chip, so it only works with Airpods and Beats earphones currently. If you already have your main earphones connected, add the second pair by turning them on and holding them close to your iPhone. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to connect. Once both earphones are connected, you can start playing music, podcasts, or other audio sources. Once it is playing, tap the AirPlay button. You can then check the box next to the second pair of earphones. The audio from your iPhone will now be shared to the other Bluetooth earphones. Each person can adjust their volume independently of the other person. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.